In my last video about file compression, I showed you how to compress various types of files, including game files, program files, and software, into smaller sizes. By compressing files, you can save storage space and make large files more manageable. In this video, I'll show you how to compress video files into smaller sizes without losing quality. This is especially useful for content creators, movie collectors, or anyone dealing with large video files. First, you'll need a free and powerful software called HandBrake. Simply search for HandBrake on Google, download it from the official website, and install it on your PC. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, so you're covered regardless of your operating system. Once you have HandBrake installed, open it and load the video file you want to compress. Select the file by clicking Open Source. For the output format, MP4 is a great choice because it's highly compatible and compresses well. Next, tweak the video quality settings. Set the video codec to H.264 or H.265, which are excellent for compression. Adjust the constant quality slider to somewhere between 20 and 23 for a good balance between file size and video quality. If you don't need additional filters, disable them in the Filters tab. For audio, you can lower the bitrate to reduce the file size even more, though this depends on how important audio quality is for you. Once all your settings are ready, choose the destination folder where you'd like to save the compressed file and click Start Encode to begin the process. After a short wait, you'll have a smaller sized video file with almost no noticeable quality loss. I hope this guide helps you save storage space and manage your video files better. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot and keeps me motivated to bring you more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.